Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete favorite contacts on your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel, write your comments, don't forget to give us your likes, and let's get started with you. So, first, of course, we open our phone book. And here you and I at the bottom, in the left corner, we see this star. And when we click on that, we can see our favorite contacts. And in order to remove them from here, there are two ways. One, we can click on Edit at the top, and we see that we get these minuses. We can click on the minus. And now delete. This will delete the contact from your favorites. You can do this if you have a large list of contacts. You just delete everyone on the list, then press Done. Or the second way, if it's a single contact, it's easier to just swipe to the left side of the contact, and then tap Delete. This is how you delete your favorite contacts. But keep in mind that you will not remove contacts from the phone book completely. If we take the contacts, we will see the contacts that we deleted. They are and in place, they are in the phone book, they will only be removed from the favorites folder. This is the way you can delete favorite contacts on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And see you next time.